Hi guys, this is Byrd, your curvy sewist, and I'm here today with some tea about the latest Joann Fabrics pattern sale and a bunch more. Full disclosure, this is my take on things. It is sort of a bird's eye view, so y'all please don't come for me. So as you may have heard, Joann Fabrics filed Chapter 11 bankruptcy earlier this month. There are 800 stores nationwide. The word is that they will remain open. The company became a publicly traded company about 2 years ago. Yes, they are no longer a public company. I assume that they had to pay out their shareholders, but that's a whole nother conversation. I'm not even going to dip into that. They did receive over $130 million in financing to keep the doors open, so they'll be able to knock down their debt. The good news for us now is that we can continue to run out to our local store to pick up fabric, patterns, and more. All right, so let's go ahead and head into my local store. Once inside the store, I like to walk all the way through the store toward the back where the clearance items are located. I knew I was coming in for patterns, and I really try to stay focused. So I wanted to make sure that I didn't end up buying fabric without a specific project in mind, but I cannot skip looking at the clearance items. So here back at the clearance section, you can see that there are a number of different types of fabric. It's a pretty decent selection. I like to purchase fabric online as well as in a store like this. There is nothing that will take the place of actually being able to touch and feel and stretch a fabric before actually purchasing it. So this is something that I really do love about dropping into my local Joann store. Even though I looked at a lot of fabric, I did really well, and I walked out without actually picking up any fabric. Nothing really jumped out at me that I had to have, but gosh, there were really some pretty pieces of fabric there for the taking, for the purchasing. Before I head over to the patterns, I want to tell you guys a little bit more about patterns. Again, these are my thoughts, don't come for me, but patterns are really not an income generating item for Joann Fabrics. They only get probably a few cents off of each sale. The real business for Joann Fabrics come from fabric. All right, let's head over to the sale. So McCall's patterns, as you can see, are $2.99, no longer $1.99. But y'all, $2.99 is still really good. You can't complain about that. They did have the new Seasons book out. That's really cute. I know I want to pick up that pattern. So they have some really cute patterns out. I know I'm going to pick up a couple, but I really had my eye not only on McCall patterns, I really had my eye on Nomi patterns. And unfortunately, none of the new Nomi patterns were out. I asked the employees, there were none in the back, in boxes or anything like that. They said they haven't gotten any deliveries in the last few weeks. So that's the bad news for me. No Nomi patterns in the store, but I will continue to look and may just go ahead and buy them online. All right, so this is what I picked up. This is McCall's 8448. She's cute, definitely a color block moment. This is a knit pattern. I want to make it without any sleeves. She's cute. Oh, this is another one that I had to pick up. It is McCall's 8322. Definitely a beautiful spring, really truly a summer dress. And then the final one that I picked up today is McCall's 8450. This is more of a formal pattern, but I have some ideas, so stay posted on what I decide to make. So that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.